Shortly after getting my Model 3, I started having some problems. Started having issues with my autopilot. So here's a screenshot just of my car. And I called Tesla. And Tesla was able to tap into the car while uh, it was on the road. It saw what was going on and they told me to bring it in. So I entered the Tesla and this is the repair shop. Nice looking desk, nice mural, different things. And you can see in the back, it's clean. That's the desk that you pull your car up to. And basically, there's two computers there. All white walls, all very clean shop. Does not look like your normal repair shop. So that's my car. I pull it up, and the waiting room is all glass. You sit and you can see all the cars that's going on. And you can see the two gentlemen behind my car, both on the computers. They have not touched my car yet. I sat here for 45 minutes while they sat on their computers and never touching my car. Not sure what was going on as I'm sitting in this great lobby area. I was getting a little anxious because I was on time and I feel like they're not doing anything. Hood's not up, doors aren't open, anything. And as you can see, there is no tools around this area, but there's a lot of other cars down beyond. Some have things open they're looking at, but not mine. So I'm not sure what's all going on here. They come out a little bit later and said they found out what was wrong with my car. I have a bad hard drive. I kind of looked at him funny. I'm like, you never touched my car. He goes, we don't need to. It's all Bluetooth, all Wi-Fi. We're able to run a bunch of diagnostics and see what was going on. So they gave me a loaner car. They gave me the Model S. Very nice car. Got to drive it for a while they repaired my hard drive. Uh, all free of charge. They replaced it. It was real easy, simple process. They called me up, said it was done. I then brought my car over to Tint King and you notice the windows are now tinted. But look at the inside of Tint King. It's similar to the repair shop at Tesla. All clean areas, both places. Very unique experience with Tesla. But now my autopilot works great.